Hi guys, welcome my vlog. Yan guys, nagpicture kami at going at mall. After that, going to the restaurant.
Yes!
A restaurant for Japanese. And then, order. And then, that's the choice of you want to order. Sige, hanap po more. And some have bye-bye. Ayan, sa atin ka-smile pa. Laban tayo guys sa kainan hanggat may makain, di ba guys? Yun ay pinakamasarap sa ating buhay. Kundi kain lang tayo ng kain hanggat may makain, di ba guys? That's it fun. So joke for this time but it's true, di ba? Pag kumain ka ng kumain, ang ibig sabihin yan guys, pag kumain ka ng kumain, buhay ka. Kaya habang buhay pa, kain tayo ng kain. Ayan guys, tapos na kami, picture kami niyan. At kami ay pa-out na kami. Kaya for remembrance, gonna take a picture. And then, we go for the coffee. Punta naman kami ng coffee. At yan ay picture again. Sige lang. Yun, nakatunga nga ako dyan, no? At ako ay pagod na rin yan. Pero enjoy. Coffee tayo guys. Sawa. We are together on my pamangkin, and then Mama in my pamangkin also, and then the other one also. Look at this place guys, it's nice here. Okay, so busy. Patunaw na naman tayo ng pinakain. So, we are here. Tea, coffee. Thanks for the watching, guys.